Hi you guys, so today is my best friend's birthday. So I decided to vlog the entire day. So basically right now, last night we had a sleepover which I couldn't shoot because of explicit content. I didn't shoot it last night. But today we are going for lunch with Siddhi, my best friend whose birthday it is today. And in the night we have a surprise for her which she doesn't know. But I'm gonna vlog that and you guys are gonna see what it's gonna be. Now we're getting extremely late. But before that, meet my other best friend, that's Richa Chande, and that's my mom. Hi. This is how we have dressed up. She's coming nearby. She lives right here, so she's gonna come right now. We were supposed to meet at 11:45. It's 12 now, so we better get going. We thought we were late, but guess who's late? Who's late?
Birthday girl.
She said she's not ready yet, so we have to wait at home. We're gonna leave in 5 minutes. We just finished our lunch and we are outside and we're going to take some pictures. Yeah, and it is extremely sunny, so bye. We are going around just to see stuff. Apparently the birthday girl wants to go to Nykaa. So we're done with the lunch and everything, and right now I'm at home because I have a paper right now, so I'm going to finish that. And then we have to go and get these gifts which we had planned, which I'm not going to disclose in the video because she's going to see it someday. So yeah, guess what we're doing right now? We're going to go shopping for the gifts. Not shopping for the gifts, I mean we're going to pick up a few gifts whichever we have already planned. We're leaving right now. I just finished my paper. I finished my paper 10 minutes back or something, and it was pretty good. Was it? Was it not? But it was good. Anyways, I'm gonna update you at the place where we reach for shopping. And cool ass sister, bro. Hi guys, we're done with shopping and everything, and we are super exhausted. Probably Siddhi, the birthday girl, kind of realized that what we were doing for her, like she knew, maybe she had a hint. Now all we have to do is go 1 hour prior to the venue where we have asked her to come. Not us, two of the other friends. Apparently she's having dinner with them, but she doesn't know. All of us are going to come and surprise her. So me and Richa are going 1 hour prior. I'm going to decorate the place and surprise her with everybody else. So this is a little prep thing we are doing. Apparently Siddhi is calling us and we don't know how to tell her. Siddhi, sorry. She's calling us and she wants to meet us and we... Shh. Okay, and this is 19 ka balloon. Sab theek hai, just stick to that. We are just so tired and we have to get ready. This is the time. We are very busy. I think we should take up event managing. We are like really good at it, you know, so punctual. This is the gift thingy. Okay, you guys can't see shit. But yeah, this is pretty cute. We really like this. कैसे चिपकाएंगे? Don't you think it's too much? What is this? So okay, something like this. Yeah, nice. Okay, we're done. You all. The room is a mess. We are in a mess. We don't know how we're gonna get ready in like 30 minutes. Well, guess who's ready for the party, for the surprise party? It's 7:30 right now. And I feel so bad for Siddhi because she literally doesn't know anything, and like we've been like literally telling her stuff that, you know, stay at home, and she really wants to come over, and I really want to you know, ask her to come over, but we couldn't because obviously. So we're all set. We leave in 10 minutes and we have to start decorating over there. It's just a little decoration and set up everything. The room is a mess. My mom is going to kill me once she comes home. But otherwise, I'm excited. My outfit. I know. It looks pretty cute. Yes. So you'll see this in one of the IGTVs. Prepared. Ready? Look at her. So we are all ready. We are super excited. All we have. I hope we don't meet Siddhi on the way. And this is the cake, this is the gifts, and yeah.
Okay, wishing Siddhi a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless Hi y'all. So Siddhi's birthday was a blast. It was so much fun that once we came back home after dancing for so long, we just slept. Hope you all enjoyed this vlog, and if you have any suggestions to give me, please comment down below. I will surely acknowledge it. Hope you comment, subscribe and like to my channel. And yeah, see you all in the next vlog. I think my makeup looks good. Super thicker. अच्छा अच्छा Happy bye guys, we're leaving like this. Hi you guys, I know I look good and just got my makeup done and I feel like I'm looking super cute, which I always do. ज़्यादा मत कर